Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to navigate YouTube TV. Are you tired of cable bills but still want to watch live TV? YouTube TV might be the perfect solution for you. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to get the most out of your YouTube TV subscription. We'll cover the YouTube TV interface, where to find everything, browsing channels and building your personalized guide, using the DVR to record your favorite shows and movies, searching for content and finding what you want to watch, managing your account settings and customizing your experience. So whether you're a brand new subscriber or a seasoned streamer looking to brush up on your skills, this video has got you covered. But before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Fix Zone for more tech tips and tutorials. Now, let's get started. Okay, let's start with the interface. When you open YouTube TV, you'll typically land on the Library tab. Think of this as your home base for all your recorded content. You'll see your DVR recordings organized by show. Next up, we have the Live tab. This is your traditional TV guide. It shows you what's currently airing on all the channels available in your YouTube TV subscription. You can scroll through the channels vertically and see what's playing. And finally, there's the Search tab. This is where you can search for specific shows, movies, or channels. Just type in what you're looking for, and YouTube TV will show you the results. Now, let's talk about browsing channels. In the Live tab, you can customize your guide by adding or removing channels. To do this, simply click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Live Guide. Here you can customize the order of your channels and hide the ones you don't watch. This will give you more personalized experience. Next, let's dive into the DVR feature. One of the best things about YouTube TV is its unlimited DVR storage. To record a show, simply find it in the Live or Search tab and click on it. Then, click the plus icon next to the show's name. This will add the show to your library, and YouTube TV will automatically record all future episodes. To find your recordings, head back to the Library tab. Here, you'll see all your recorded shows organized alphabetically. You can also manage your recordings and delete episodes you no longer need. Okay, let's talk about searching for content. The Search tab is your best friend when you're looking for something specific. Just type in the title of the show, movie, or channel you're interested in, and YouTube TV will show you the results. You can also use the search bar to browse by genre or actor. Finally, let's go over managing your account settings. To access your account settings, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Here, you can manage your subscription, change your payment method, and adjust your viewing preferences. You can also add or remove family members from your account. And that's it. You should now have a good understanding of how to navigate YouTube TV. We covered the interface, browsing channels, using the DVR, searching for content, and managing your account settings. Hopefully, this video has helped you get the most out of your YouTube TV subscription. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Fix Zone for more tech tips and tutorials. Also, let us know in the comments below what other tech topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.